Kuble pi baro kani day ka mathematics class 9 bat kadai jong ka boot MBOSE tementangan peteng biang ban kenya kini jingkli by day bat kani ka exercise 1.3 mentangin ken kani ka jingkli ka ba nyau kani question 7 hadu 6 la dem depen I haka video bala dep upload menta kani 7 ka ong write three numbers whose decimal expansion are non-terminating non-recurring depan thok ni ka answer lightly kita ki number ba day decimal number but ka decimal expansion kan day non-terminating but non-recurring kamut non-repeating tingi tip ba kata day ka irrational number tingin lightly irrational number ni ka solution ni thok ni three numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating non-recurring are number 1 so 1 point day decimal number but kadai non-terminating kamut kam could show but kadai non-recurring kamut claim repeat tingi bu 101 nangta 001 000 nangta southly 01 but ibu lightly kidot kapan I ba kadai non-terminating yang ning yu I ba kadai non-terminating but ngi page number ki claim repeat kan ni dai kata ka irrational number but ba ar ngila ban ai 1.202 ibu earthly 0 bu 2 lightly 0 bu 2 southly 0 ibu 2 bu lightly dot nang ta ngila ban ai no number ngila ban ai 4.141 4 slightly 1 4 southly 1 4 bu lightly dot ni I bahang ni new 4 no new 1 ban kong day tang way ta don r lie sao kamut I claim repeat kini day kita lightly number but they non-terminating but non-recurring. Next kani ka question number 8 kong ni find three different irrational numbers lightly irrational number biang ni ru different kamut ki by pen day jo between the between rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 ya hapdeng jong new jong kini ki artli ki rational number ki don shibun tli kita ki number don infinitely many ki don hapdeng jong kini r ni dai ban sim lightly but ki badai ki irrational number thok solution gumni new rational number 5 by 7 but so way rational number 9 by 11 te dangi tho kumni akan ka form p by q kumni fraction nginam la ban pen I ki kita ki lightly ki irrational number te namar kata ngi haban divide yakini kenang bakan day da ka decimal number ngi divide yang ni 5 ngi divide do 7 7 day ban divide yo 5 7 into 0 day 0 yo 5 bu point yo 57 into 7 kadai 49 remainder yang ni kan day 1 badan point la ban bu 0 benta 7 into 1 kadai 7 remainder kadai 3 bu 0 30 7 into 4 day 28 remainder kan day 2 bu 0 20 7 into 2 kadai 14 remainder kadai 6 bu 0 60 7 into 5 7 into 8 7 into 8 kadai 56 remainder day 4 40 7 into 5 kadai 35 remainder day 5 ban ngi I bau ni 5 kadai ka jo bang sedang ban kong day 5 kamut ni stop hang ni kin sa repeat biang kini ki number ado 571428 kin sa repeat dia kini ngila ban thogum ni 0.714285 bat kini baro kin sa repeat kini ki digit ngi bu daw ni bar na jrong kumjo ro 9 by 11 9 by 11 ngi divide 11 divide yo 9 11 to 0 day 0 9 bu point yo 0 11 into 8 day 88 remainder day 2 11 into 1 day 11 remainder day 9 new 9 kejo kamut kini baro r can repeat 81 tengi thok ni 0.81 bu bu bar pedeng jong hajrong jong kini ki digit 81 namar ba kini kinsa repeat tementa kini dai ki rational number bat ni dai ban what lightly ki irrational number pedeng jong kini teki lightly hangni dai 0.7 kani dai 0.8 0.71 hapedeng la bandon 7.2.3 kumta hapedeng jong diu 0.71 but 0.81 kidon shibon teli kita ki irrational number tengin tho tang lightly tengin tho kumni 3 different irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 ki badai irrational 71 la badai 72 nangta 722 7 lightly 2 7 southly 2 7 ibu dot 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 kani dai irrational number namar kiri number ni ki claim repeat new 2 u pair ni claim repeat hangni artli hangni lai sau kumta terter ni la ban tho 7 3 7 3 3 7 3 3 3 7 southly 3 bu 7 angtang la ban thong ni 7 4 7 4 4 7 4 4 4 7 4 4 4 kini la ban shim kita ki irrational number badai apedeng jong kini namar ngitip ba uniu 7 7 0.72.73.74 kidon apedeng jong kini 5 by 7 badai 0.71 but 9 by 11 badai 0.81 last question kani question number 9 ka ong classify the following numbers as rational or irrational kini number bal ni santeli angni ngin classify ba kino na kini badai rational lani irrational kini ban kong kadai root 3 abadon number po square root ni page ba new number po square root udai perfect square na m lada dai perfect square kadai kadai rational ladam dai kadai irrational dai page 23 dai perfect square dai perfect square ngin revise kemudian perfect square lani ki square number udai 1 square dai 1 2 square mut 2 into 2 day 4 3 square kemut 3 into 3 day 9 4 square kemut 4 into 4 day 16 5 square ke day 5 into 5 day 25 kini day kita ki perfect square day 23 day perfect square kemut ke square jong 23 ke day irrational number namar bau 23 day perfect square ini tho ni ka answer ke day root 23 is an irrational as 23 is not a perfect square. Kani ba root square root of 2 to 5. 2 to 5 ngiti badai perfect square. 15 square kamut 15 into 15 kadai 225. Ladang isim ya ke square root jong 2 to 5 kan day 15. Kam day irrational kadai rational. Ngito ni square root jong 2 to 5 kadai 15 kani day is a rational. Kabalai day decimal number haba day decimal number ngipek lada day non terminating non recurring kabamut non repeating kata day irrational ngipek hangni kani day terminating teka day terminating decimal expansion kadai barbor rational kani day rational ngitho solution 0.3796 is a rational as it is kadai terminating kani basau kadai non terminating henry kadai repeating 478 ba repeat kata ru day rational number 7.478 478 ba repeat kadai rational number is a rational as it is kadai non terminating yu ibadon dot dot kemut ka claim terminate kadai non terminating but kadai repeating lani recurring recurring kemut repeating Bat kane bahadu kadai non terminating dot bat ngipe yang ni claim repeat. Digit yang ni claim repeat ni way 0 ni dan r line claim repeat kane dai irrational number. Ni so solution 1.01010010001 south 01 dot is irrational. Is irrational number ba kadai as it is kadai non terminating non recurring kamut non repeating claim repeat kublai shibun